In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ableton Live 11 for live performance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Ableton Live 11 and how to best utilize it for a live performance. Keep in mind that even though I'm going to be talking about 11, you will also be able to use other versions of the software like Live 12. So to best utilize Ableton Live 11, always structure your set first. Decide on the flow of your performance. Will you be transitioning through songs, building layers gradually, or perform a continuous mix? Next, you should always use Session Viewer. So the session view, which looks like this in Ableton Live 11, will be your best bet for a live performance. This is designed to be used for live performances. So as long as you go into this part of Ableton, you will be able to arrange your musical elements, loops, samples, MIDI clips in a grid. So all of them are going to appear here, and you will be able to control their order in columns and rows. You can load up files from your storage, so you will see it displayed here at the left, and you can just load them into the specific columns or rows that you wish. You will find all of the files and effects that you need, and once they are loaded in, you will be able to craft your scenes. So group related clips into a scene. Each scene can represent a song section or a distinct musical idea, and launching a scene triggers all clips in that row simultaneously. Set up reverb, delay, or other shared effects on return tracks. Another thing to keep in mind is to double check your audio interface, configure it correctly within the Ableton settings for inputs and outputs, and you should always try to make sure that other programs in the background are closed down so you perform the best while running only Ableton, and all of the resources on your PC or laptop are going towards the software. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Ableton Live 11 for live performance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.